Hey guys, today I'm going to make a bronze katana from this very long blank billet. Where I'm at on this blade is I'm trying to work all the scratches out of it. I don't want any scratches left, but at the same time I'm kind of polishing it, and I don't want to polish it too much because I'm going to do a lot of Dremel work to it, and it's hard to do Dremel work whenever all that light is shining back in your eyes. Yeah, this is where my mini mill machine would have come in handy, carving this out for the blade, well, for the tang to fit through. But since that broke, we'll work with what we got. So I know this has turned into a bit of a Frankenstein sword with all these parts I found. Precast parts, and I'm adding them all together to make this. And that wasn't my original intention, but they just fit together so well with what I was doing. So what I'm going to do in order to strengthen this handle a little bit when I put it up on there is I've got a, like what you get off of a broom handle, stuff like that. And it fits pretty well in there. I've just got to grind it out and shape it up a little bit. The first pieces I cut were a little too thin, so I went back and cut a couple more that are a little thicker this time. And I've already tried them out. They fit on there very well. It's a very tight squeeze. Let me turn them the right way, it might help. Maybe it'll help. Yeah, it's tight going up on there. And then so when I press it all the way on, yeah, there's no movement whatsoever. And it feels really firm. I was just going to re-thread, I was going to thread this here, tap it, where I can thread that up on there. Out of my tap and die set, this is the piece I've got. These threads fit perfectly with the bottom, with the pommel piece. This is what I'm going to use to thread the bottom of the tang.
Yeah, I might go outside and cut something simple with it. See how well it does with a melon.